They see you're awake, mate.
I'm awake.
Make one of us. Jack, ready?
So it's the 28th of November. There's 5 of us on the water, and here we are on the Noosa River. Incoming tide, I think about 6:15, 6:30, something like that, and it's currently 5:23, so tide's still on its way in, so most of this session will be fishing outgoing, so hopefully have some fun and hopefully get some good footage. Well, I'm on the board with a cod.
Only a couple to go now to get off the donut.
No, everyone's off, I think, apart from Tony's got to get one and he'll get one.
Oh, Michael's got one of it?
Yeah, I think so. So we're up and running. Gee, that was a savage bite for a small fish. Oh shit, I'm getting some bites in here. Just not hooking up though. There I have. Probably another cod I got here. Yeah, it is too. Wow.
At least we're all on a cod.
Not all.
Yeah, another cod. I've had 3 of them now. This is number 4, Tony, all cod. 4 cod I've had. They're all small, yeah, but they're fun. Another one. This is a better one at least. Oh. Oh. That's a better size, Moses. number 7 already. Another Moses perch. And these must be full of roe, because every time I pull one of these buggers in, I get hammered with poo. So, lesson learned. Let's see if I can not get hammered this time. Another Moses perch. This is fish number 8. I'm there up to 4 Moses. Four cod. So hopefully this guy's not going to pull over me. About the same size as I've been getting. But we're having fun. Fish 9. Next one puts me on double figures. Let's hope the next one's a good one. Oh, that's another cod.
Nice flatty razor.
Yeah. So here we are, session 2, and this is the evening sesh. So hopefully we'll get some fish. Not sure how much footage I can get, but we'll see how we go. So yeah, hopefully we can catch a fish or 2. So fingers crossed, and see if I can get some footage before it gets too dark. This is a better fish, Troy. Yeah. Don't know yet. I've got to land him first. Don't know. He's pulling hard. It's a bit better than what I was catching this morning, that's a fact. No, it's a big flatty. Yeah. Yeah, I will. Nah, it's alright. I do know that you've got to keep these guys down. Yeah. Oh well, session's open. Yeah, might as well. Oh, he's a good solid fish. I'll have to give this one a measure.
67 to beat.
He won't beat 67. It's not a 67.
Oh, he's solid though, mate.
Oh yeah, he's a solid.
Look, one I caught, he was a big fatty. That one's got a bit of a chunk too for its length.
Yeah, I'll give him a measure. Ah, if he'll settle down, I'll give him a measure.
Yeah, when you're ready, take your time, mate.
Right on the 50.
No, he's a good player. This is where I need the 360. But... Well done.
We're on the ball, Troy.
Well done. Have none of the other boys have caught anything? Or...
Don't know. Don't believe so. Right, let's get this hook out of him and get him back. I had the hook out then and he... That's it, we got him. Good size though, I'm happy with him. That opens the account for this afternoon. Oh well, another flatty. I'll take him. Not as big as the last one, but I'll take him. I got a fish. Another flatty. Oh well, we're clocking them up slowly. That's another little flatty. This is a good fish. I don't know whether... Ah, little cod. Not sure if that filming come out. I just got myself a nice little cod, so that's fish number 4 for this session, to add to the 11 this morning. There's a nice little cod. Happy with him.
And I'm actually pretty easy, so I'll go as far as we need to go.